Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multi-function display, center console with lighting, one-touch windows, 4. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.